Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you an exercise which I've used lots, which is absolutely brilliant for improving your maths. It's a great thing to do at home if you're home learning or if you just want to get a bit more confident with number, because being able to deal with numbers, especially single digit numbers, once you get the hang of it, it just makes the rest of maths really starts to become easier. Let me get straight into it and explain what I mean. So we're just going to start off with numbers going up here along the top. I'm going to start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we'll go to 10. And all I'm going to do, and I'm going to do this quite quickly, if I were you, I would start with maybe just 2, 3s and 4s, or just choose wherever you are, whichever numbers you want to practice. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to count up in that number just as if I was doing the times table. So I started off with 2 here, so let's count up in 2s, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So it's really just like doing my times tables, and I'm adding 2 each time. So what I'm doing is not only am I going over my times tables, because this is essentially my times tables, I'm also practicing adding 2 each time. And it's going to be exactly the same for 3. So I'm going to go 6, add 3 is 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Okay, I'm just going to put here along this line, and when I get here, this is always going to be my 10 times, okay, because I've got 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. That's 10 times, and that's going to be useful for checking as we go along. And that'll be 33 and 36. So I'm just adding 3 each time. Let's do 4. 1's 4 is 4, and this time I'm just counting up. 4, 8, add 4 is 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now I know I'm right there because 10 4s are 40. 44 and 48. Possibly should have spaced this out a bit more, but never mind. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's an easy one, isn't it? 45, 50, 55, 60. Let's do 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now, I wonder if we're seeing any patterns here. Well, look, 6 is double 3, isn't it? So 6 double 6 is 12, double 9 is 18, double 12 is 24, double 15 is 30. Double 18 is going to give me 36. Also, if I have a look, every other one of these is going, it's going 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So there's lots of patterns. Doing this exercise just shows you all sorts of links between numbers, which will be really useful. Let's just carry on with 6s. So I've got 36, 42, 48, 54. There, I'm hitting my 60, and then got my 10 times table coming along here. 66 and 72. 7s, 2 7s are 14. 21, 28, 35, 42. Of course, I don't expect you to do it as quick as this, but just adding 7 each time. 42 add 7 is 49. 56, 63, 70, 77, and 84. Remember, I always think the 7 times table is quite a tricky one to learn, so adding up in 7s is good. Now, 8 is going to be double 4, so that's going to be 2 8s are 16. It's going to be 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, double 40 is 80. We're going to have 88 and 96. And we can see again how these patterns, how we've got the same numbers keep coming. So 16, 24, 32. And we could go around and ring all of those. I might do that in another video. Let's count up in nines, and nice and straightforward, seeing how the pattern goes. We've got 18. This digit's just going to keep on increasing like this. And this digit's going to go down. So I get 18, it's going to go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep going, 72, 81, and then I'm into 90. And then I get to myself is 99 and 108. And of course got my tens. Let's just do it anyway. Going in for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So just doing this counting, not only is it really good practice of repeated addition, adding on, it's also our times tables, and we could come back to this, which I will do, and we could carry on, and we could do all different sorts of patterns and have a look and see common multiples and all of that kind of thing. I've got lots of exercises like this. You can go to double digit numbers, you can start at 100 and count down, but I really recommend this for something to spend 5 or 10 minutes doing every now and again. And maybe don't do as many numbers as I've done, just choose whatever times tables you're working on maybe and just write them down. I've stopped here at 12 times, sometimes I've gone down, keep going until you get to the bottom of your page. Do go up, instead of stopping at 10 times, go to 20 times, 30 times. Really, really good practice. So all the best with that, good luck, and I hope you enjoy it.